Hello and welcome to the channel. Before I dive into today's video and show you everything about the product I'm reviewing, I want to stop for just a second, because if you're thinking about picking this up, you're going to want to hear this first. You see, when you purchase through my affiliate link, that's the link below this video or in the description, you don't just get the product. You get a stack of exclusive bonuses that I've put together personally. And honestly, some of these bonuses are worth more than the product itself. So before we get into the review, let me walk you through exactly what you're getting. First up, you're getting Yeti Product Reviewer AI. This tool lets you create polished, persuasive product reviews in minutes. You just drop in a product URL, add your affiliate link, choose your tone and language, hit generate, and out comes a complete, ready-to-publish review. Export it as a doc, TXT, or PDF. Perfect if you're promoting affiliate offers and hate staring at a blank page. Bonus 2 is the Yeti Social Media Postmaker. This isn't about just what to post. It creates posts that are engineered to trigger comments, shares, and organic reach using psychology-based responses. If you want visibility and engagement without spending money on ads, this one's a game changer. Bonus 3. Yeti Swipe Vault. Think of this as your all-in-one marketing asset creator. You drop in proven swipe copy, and it rewrites it into product-specific promotions, creates scroll-stopping image prompts, and generates ready-to-use social hooks and marketing blueprints. One tool, complete campaigns, done. Bonus 4 is one I'm really proud of. It's a 10-step AI-powered checklist for writing affiliate emails that people actually want to read. Every step comes with a ready-made AI prompt. Just fill in your topic and go. Subject lines, storytelling, the PS. Every part of your email covered. Works with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever you use. Bonus 5, Email Tip Yeti. This one automatically adds a relevant, educational marketing tip to any promotional email you send. You paste your email in, and the AI crafts a custom lesson that complements your offer and positions you as an authority. Every email becomes a teaching moment. Your subscribers stop seeing you as just another promoter. They start looking forward to hearing from you. Bonus 6 is a guide called Beyond Subscribers, and here's the big idea. Subscribers don't pay the bills. Buyers do. This guide shows you how to attract buyer intent leads instead of freebie seekers, turn passive subscribers into paying customers, and build what's called a buyer list flywheel for long-term compounding income. If you've got a list, or you're building one, this will completely shift how you approach email marketing. Bonus 7, the Yeti Traffic Conversion Blueprint, and this one comes with PLR rights. It's a practical playbook for turning any traffic into leads and sales. Landing page structure, email opt-ins, lead magnets, buyer psychology, A/B testing. It's all in there in a clear step-by-step system. And the PLR means you can use it as your own product or lead magnet. Bonus 8 is Yeti Sketch. This is a visual thinking app that turns your ideas and business concepts into clean, hand-drawn sketchnote diagrams. No design skills needed. Great for content creators, coaches, and marketers who want to explain things visually, build authority, and repurpose content quickly. And Bonus 9, After-Click Yeti. This is a micro SaaS prompt generator that turns your offer and traffic source into ready-to-use conversion assets. Follow-up email sequences, retargeting ad copy, objection handling FAQs, exit intent pop-ups, social proof sections. It generates master prompts you drop straight into ChatGPT. Everything is beginner-friendly and designed to be policy-safe by default. Brilliant tool. And Bonus 10 is access to my private Facebook group. So that's 10 bonuses, all waiting for you, on top of the product I'm just about to talk about. To get them, all you have to do is purchase through my link below in the description or pinned in the comments. Once you buy through my link, your bonuses will be waiting for you on the Warrior Plus or JVZoo delivery page. So there you go. That's my bonus stack bonuses. So here is a little explainer video I made with Notebook LM that explains what the product actually does. who it's for, and why you might want to get it.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at a tool designed to help you profit from your digital products. Let's be real. Are you spending hours creating content you can't even sell? It's a huge time sink.
Manually, you're just fighting with formatting and low quality. But what if you could fix all of that instantly?
Well, that's where Mathlyo comes in. It turns those struggles into instant, print-ready results. Let's dive in.
It's built to get you from an idea to a sellable product today. No design skills or monthly fees.
What's really cool is how simple the path to profit is. It's literally just 3 steps.
First, you just pop in the details: subject, difficulty, colors, title, all the simple stuff. Then you hit generate. You see exactly how it's going to look before you even download it.
Finally, you download it and list it for sale. You can get it on Etsy or TPT immediately. Okay, but beyond just creating, these tools are really designed to maximize your profit. You get a color version and a black and white one. That's 2 products to sell from just one design.
You can also customize titles, colors, and icons. This helps your products really stand out from the competition.
But get this, the real game changers are the free bonuses that come included. This is big.
First, you get the naming vault. That's over 200 titles that are actually proven to sell.
Next, a copy generator for your TPT and Etsy listings. It writes the description for you in 30 seconds.
And finally, a 30-day launch calendar. This is pretty much your step-by-step business plan.
So that's a $73 total bonus value, and you get all of it for free. And yeah, you get a full commercial license, so you can sell absolutely everything you create.
So, what does it actually take to get started with this business-building tool? During the launch, it's not some recurring fee. It's just a one-time payment of $27.
And get this, there's 0 risk. It's got a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee.
This explainer shows a really quick path to selling. So the only question left is, what will you create first?
Now on to the main product. Here is a demo of what it does.
So there you go. Thanks for listening to my video. To pick up the product and my bonus stack, see the description or details below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.